Barcelona is entering a phase where progress can be felt both on and off the pitch. On the field, confidence is growing and belief has returned. Off the field, the transformation of Camp Nou continues to take visible shape. In this update, we take a clear look at the club's current direction, the Champions League challenge ahead, and the latest construction progress inside the new Camp Nou. What makes this phase especially satisfying is the overall direction of the club. The team is growing, confidence is rising, and the atmosphere around Barcelona feels positive once again. Compared to a year or two ago, the difference is clear. There is belief in the project, clarity in the vision, and a strong sense that the club is finally moving forward with purpose. With Champions League qualification already secured, attention now shifts to the round of 16 and the potential opponents. As things stand, Barcelona could face Paris Saint-Germain, Newcastle United, AS Monaco, or Qarabağ. Each possible matchup brings a different challenge and playing style. However, regardless of the opponent, Barcelona will approach the knockout stage with confidence and ambition. One thing is certain when it comes to Champions League knockout matches: Camp Nou will matter. Even in its current transitional state, the stadium still carries a powerful aura. Its history, presence, and atmosphere continue to influence big European nights. When Barcelona play at home, the stage feels larger. The pressure increases for opponents, and belief naturally grows within the team. The main construction highlight of the day is the lifting and installation of the third compression ring support pillar. After final preparation, the pillar was hoisted and positioned into its base, where workers secured the rotational joint and completed alignment checks. With this step, 3 of the planned 46 pillars are now installed, confirming steady progress toward the compression ring system. In the south goal, activity remains consistent across several elevated platforms. Workers installed additional steel beams in the curved section while welding continued on the surrounding structure. Progress is also visible in the elevator and stair cores. Multiple cores are now being clad with concrete slabs, while sandwich panels are being installed to enclose these vertical circulation shafts. This marks a clear transition from open structural work toward fully enclosed service cores. In the north core, the area behind safety barriers appears increasingly clean and organized, with minimal loose materials remaining. Structural elements are largely complete, and current work is centered on inspections, finishing tasks, and preparation for upcoming enclosure phases. This section now looks close to readiness for further approvals. The new Camp Nou remains one of the most ambitious stadium redevelopment projects in Europe. It is a project that can only be fully judged once completed and operational. Until then, what we see are moments of transformation, snapshots of a work in progress. Because before something becomes iconic, it often looks chaotic during its creation. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. I'll see you in the next one.